8 plus 4 plus 5 minus 4.
Add 28, add 30, add 30, add 30, T0. Answer it now. So, only a student now, the starting level is huh? Fine. So it's a level 2 actually. Add 12. Add 16. Add 25. Answer. यार मैं ऐप पढ़ ली next add 12 correct what is the okay add 15 no first itself I'm saying why you are taking the same number I'm just the same sum I'm repeating add 12 add 15 add 20. What is the answer? Add 20. Answer?
47.
ये confuse हो गया, no confusion. Okay, wow. See, wherever you go, you have to